Good day, everyone. It is a gorgeous day here in Northwest Florida, and man, I took the time. This is a little bit different today. I took the time, went down to our local dealership. I want to introduce you to the locals. So that's what this video is about, and I hope you stay tuned and watch this one. Appreciate you. Right, I'm here at my local Harley Davidson dealer with my buddy Keith, better known as K2. And I just want to introduce you to the locals here for the channel. Keith, how long you been here?
I've been here at this dealership for 5 years. Been with Harley Davidson for a little over 30.
Wow. Now that I didn't know. That's cool. You remember me working here at one time?
I do.
Yeah. I was the bike delivery guy, so that was kind of cool for me. I got to, Keith would sell a bike, I would load it in the truck, deliver it to customers, and that was awesome.
You're your own boss.
No, yeah, kind of, yeah. I wanted to ask you about Bike Week. There are two different bike weeks that this dealership puts on, correct?
Yeah, we have a fall rally, and we have a spring rally, and then we have a fall rally.
Yeah. Same. The dates change from year to year, but they're all in the same month.
Right, pretty much. The spring rally is coming up May 1st through the 5th, and then the October rally, they hadn't put the dates out for those yet, except for it's usually a week after Daytona Bike Week.
Right. Now, how long have they been doing the bike weeks here, the bike rallies?
Bike rally's been right about 10 years.
Yeah. It doesn't seem like that long, does it?
Well, I think the dealership has been here for like 11, if I'm not mistaken.
Right. Now, in the circuit of bike rallies, where are we at in the circuit?
You have Sturgis, then you have Daytona, and then you have Thunder Beach is probably somewhere around 3rd or 4th. You have Laconia and some other bike rallies, but I think we're somewhere within that top 5, I'll say.
Yeah.
Rally wise.
That's correct. I think that what I was trying to say is that I've noticed over the years there's a lot of the same vendors that are doing this every year. They come to this. They keep coming back.
Right, and that is Thunder Beach Productions. They are the ones that's in charge of all the vendor setup between our premises and Frank Brown Park.
Right.
But
yeah,
pretty much the same people most of the time. He'll probably flip the script and have some different ones and different faces. So.
Yeah. And it's become really big.
It's busy.
Yeah,
it's 10 days of being real busy, and I mean you love for it to come, and then you love for it to kind of go away. You know.
Just as I don't know that this really is. I was just thinking, how many bikes did this dealership sell last fall rally?
Last fall rally?
Well, the one that just passed.
The one that just passed, I want to think for that month, I think we was up to 170, right at 200.
Wow.
Within that month, it was close to it.
That's phenomenal.
It's close to it. Like
yeah.
I say, it's busy.
Yeah. Yeah, and there's quite a few bikes here right now, but I mean during bike rally season, you load up.
We do. We also have 3 other stores that we get to steal their motorcycles from them. They don't like it, but we get to steal their motorcycles from them. Plus, we have quite a few salespeople at the same time. So
yeah,
we have quite a few motorcycles too. And then our sales manager will go out and he'll buy quite a bit of motorcycles also. So yeah.
Well, Keith, I want to thank you for taking time talking to me, and I appreciate you for supporting the channel.
Totally my pleasure. Harley Davidson, Panama City Beach. I'll let you boy.
Thank you, Keith.
Thank you.